Hi, and welcome to Lesson 14, where we'll talk about next steps and resources for further learning. First of all, congratulations on completing this course. This is just the beginning of your OEE journey. Now let's talk about what you can do next to put your new knowledge into action. First, you can begin by implementing the concepts from this course in your facility. Here's a roadmap to guide you. First, let's talk about capturing accurate data. So you can use tools like Factbird to minimize errors when capturing data and gain real-time, actionable insights. We're happy to offer you a free trial of our plug-and-play data collection hardware and OEE software to get you started. Then it's about engaging your team. So hold kickoff meetings, involve operators, and build a culture of continuous improvement. Remember, buy-in at all levels is critical. Then it's about refining your skills with advanced training. This course has given you a strong foundation, but mastering OEE takes practice. Consider enrolling in Factbird's OEE training program, where you can deepen your knowledge with expert guidance and practical exercises. Our training focuses on real-world applications and can help you implement OEE more effectively. You can learn more at the link on the screen. On top of that, you'll want to explore additional resources. There's always more to learn. First recommendation would be to check out Factbird's Manufacturing Matters podcast for discussions on topics like how to implement and improve OEE. You can catch episodes on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, or directly on our website. Second is case studies. Here you can explore how other companies have successfully used OEE with the case studies at factbird.com. We have a particularly in-depth study on Danish Crown. It's a 20-minute exploration of how they improved OEE by up to 15% across 34 sites globally. Next is webinars and events. Here you can get insights and best practices from professionals in your field. Keep an eye out for future summits from Factbird in the US and Europe and upcoming webinars by subscribing on the link on the screen. Finally, make sure to use OEE as a strategic tool. Think beyond daily operations. Use OEE to inform strategic decisions, such as when to invest in new equipment or how to optimize production capacity. For example, low OEE scores probably signal the need for process improvements before buying new equipment. And remember, the work doesn't stop with early wins. Continuous improvement requires consistent effort. To add to this, remember to celebrate successes with your team to keep momentum and engagement high. Hopefully, this course has equipped you with the knowledge and tools to make a real impact on your organization. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help or additional training when needed. Thank you so much for being a part of this learning journey. See you next time.